everyone, it's me again, Chen. In this video, I will share to you an amazing revelation. Alam niyo ba na bago nagtapos ang taong 2023, ay nagbayad ang Perla Insurance sa halagang 1.6 million in just 9 working days. The accident happened last November 22, 2023, around 10:20 in the morning. Nag-overtake kasi ang driver nito sa isa pang sasakyan. But unfortunately, the driver lost control of the steering wheel na nagresulta na mahulog ito sa isang concrete drainage and it turned upside down. Kaya nagkaroon ng extensive damage ang vehicle na ito. Kaya, mabuti na lang na nandyan ang Perla Insurance para umalalay in times of an accident. Agad itong pinuntahan ng adjuster ng ating Jensen branch dahil sa mabilis na aksyon ng Perla Insurance ay nasettle ang claim na ito in just 9 working days. Binayaran ng Perla Insurance ang Landmark of the Philippines kung saan nakamortgage ito sa halagang 1,681,390. Kaya paalala sa lahat ng car owners, narito ang Perla Insurance para tulungan kayo. Please don't forget to like and share for more claim stories.
All is well